Welcome. This is how to disable YouTube Shorts Android. So to do that, you can just simply go ahead and go to the YouTube application. So guys, one thing that you could do is to lessen the shorts that being displayed on the screen. So guys, to reduce shorts on your YouTube, you will have the shorts tab over here as you can see. So to do this, you could just simply select the three dots on the top right and you will have an option show fewer shorts. So from here guys, every time you see a shorts on the YouTube, you should just simply select the three dots, and when you refresh it, it might show still some shorts, but you could just simply do the same process until it really turns off. Another thing that you should consider to reduce shorts is disable your YouTube history. So go to the U, and after that, just simply go to the gear icon on the top right corner to go to the settings. And you can just simply go ahead and go for manage all history over here. And now go for the controls and you will have the turn off icon over here. So make sure to turn it off to reduce the shorts being displayed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.